What's up, guys? Today we are diving into the world premiere of Škoda's brand new flagship, the all-electric Škoda Peaq. This is a massive moment for the brand as they enter the large SUV segment with their most technologically advanced vehicle to date. First off, the Peaq is a beast. It measures 4.87 meters long with a wheelbase of nearly 3 meters, making it even larger and more spacious than the Kodiaq. It debuts Škoda's new, modern, solid design language, featuring clean lines and a distinctive T-shaped light signature. A huge first for the brand is the inclusion of flush door handles that retract into the body for better aerodynamics, contributing to an impressive drag coefficient of 0.249. If you look closely at the passenger side of the windscreen, you'll even find a cool Easter egg, which is a small graphic of 3 cyclists, a nod to Škoda's history starting as a bicycle company. When it comes to performance, Škoda is offering 3 main variants based on 2 different battery capacities. The entry-level model is the Škoda 60, which features rear-wheel drive and a 150 kilowatt motor producing 350 Nm of torque. It uses a 63.6 kilowatt-hour battery to deliver an electric range of over 450 kilometers, hitting 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 8.4 seconds. If you want maximum range, the Peaq 90 is the range king. It is also rear-wheel drive, but steps up to 210 kilowatts and a massive 545 Nm of torque. It features the largest battery ever in a Škoda at 91 kilowatt-hours, pushing the range to a massive 640 kilometers. For the top-spec performance version, there's the all-wheel drive Peaq 90X, which delivers a combined 220 kilowatts and is the quickest in the lineup, hitting 0 to 100 in just 6.7 seconds, while still offering a great range of over 610 kilometers using that same large battery. Charging is super competitive across the board. The Peaq 60 goes from 10% to 80% in 27 minutes, while the larger battery variants take only 28 minutes. A standout feature here is bidirectional charging, allowing you to power external devices or even your house. For drivers looking for a more dynamic edge, the Sportline variant will be available from launch and can be combined with any of the 3 powertrain options. This version is instantly recognizable by its glossy black exterior accents, standard 20-inch alloy wheels, and an exclusive 2-tone paintwork with a black roof. Inside, the Sportline adopts a purposeful all-black theme, featuring sports seats upholstered in a mix of Swedia and Tectona, with white contrast stitching. Beyond aesthetics, it comes standard with performance-oriented features like adaptive dampers and a 3-spoke sports steering wheel, which uniquely includes paddles to control the one-pedal driving mode. High-end technology like the LED matrix headlights and the illuminated front light band are also included as standard on this trim. For the first time in a Škoda, we also get a frunk, offering 37 liters of storage under the bonnet, which is perfect for charging cables. Inside the frunk area, they've even integrated a clever funnel for the wiper fluid so you never spill. And speaking of wipers, the Peaq features integrated washers on the blades that reduce fluid consumption by 50%. Moving inside, it's a total lounge on wheels. If you opt for the Relax package, you get massage seats with leg rests and pillows. This package also includes a real game changer for charging stops, a folding table. Stowed inside the center console's jumbo box, this table pulls out and connects to the cup holders to create a stable surface between the front seats. It is absolutely perfect for a laptop if you need to get some work done, or for a picnic while you wait for your battery to top up, and it is incredibly easy to wipe clean afterward. The interior audio is capped off by the Sonos premium sound system, which is a 16-speaker setup with a total output of 755 watts. It includes a dual subwoofer for deep bass and 3D A-pillar speakers for an immersive soundstage. The main command center is Škoda's first ever vertically mounted 13.6-inch screen based on Android. It's much faster than previous systems and includes third-party apps like Spotify and YouTube. While most things are digital, Škoda wisely kept a manual volume jog and physical toggles for temperature and fan speed below the screen, which is a major win for ergonomics. Down in the console, you get illuminated wireless charging for 2 phones. It's MagSafe compatible with magnets to hold your phone in place, and it even has active cooling to keep things from overheating while charging at 25 watts. Whether you choose the 5 or 7-seater, the space inside is huge, with the boot capacity reaching up to 935 liters in the 5-seat mode. As for pricing, Škoda is aiming to disrupt the market, with expectations starting below 50,000 euros. What do you guys think? Is that folding table the ultimate simply clever feature? Let me know in the comments.